Do you want to generate images with Nano Banana AI but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I believe you are doing very well. In this video, I will let you know how you can generate images with Nano Banana AI free of cost. So let's start the video. First of all, open your browser, then search Gmail login. First log in into your Gmail account and then search Google AI Studio in Google search engine. Then you will see the first website, that will be Google AI Studio. Open this website in new tab. Then you will see this kind of page and you will see get started option at the right side top. Click on that. Then you will see this kind of page. Here you will see try Nano Banana. One more thing, Google Nano Banana and Gemini 2.5 Flash is same. Click on try Nano Banana, then you will see this kind of page. Copy your prompt or you can generate prompt from ChatGPT as well. Or you can simply write your prompt. After writing the prompt, hit on run and then processing will start like this. And after few moments, the image will be generated. Image has been generated. You can see the quality of the image is very good. And you can download these images free of cost with just a simple click. Here we go, the image quality is very good and you can change something if you want to change. I want to add cap on her head, so I'm writing it, and after writing the prompt hit run and again processing will start, and after a few moments image will generate. Here we go, the updated image has been generated and you can see the cap on her head. You can also see the quality of the image is also very good. Now you have to just click on the download option and image will be saved into your PC. So this is how you can generate images with Nano Banana AI free of cost with few simple steps. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like my video, smash like button, subscribe my channel and click on the notification icon as well for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Take care.